Thousands face this issue daily, and I have got 5 working fixes to solve it. Are you getting this annoying error? EXE has stopped working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you 5 easy and effective methods to fix it just few minutes. Let's start it. Run the application in as a administrator privilege. First, try to running the program as an administrator. Right click the EXE file, then select run as administrator. Sometimes lack of permission can cause this error. Method 2. Use compatibility mode. If the application is older, then try running it in compatibility mode. Right click on the EXE file, go to properties, then compatibility tab. Check run this program in compatibility mode for selected Windows version, Windows 7 or 8. Method 3. Run system file checker. Next, scan your system files. Open command prompt run as an administrator, then type sfc space scan now, press enter. This will check and fix corrupted system files. Method 4. Use DISM tool. If sfc scan did not fix it, use the DISM tool. In the same command prompt, type DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. This will repair system image file that might be causing the error. Method 5. Perform a clean boot. Sometimes background service cause this error. Press Windows R, type msconfig and hit enter. Go to Service tab, check Hide all services, then click Disable all. Go to Startup tab, open Task Manager, disable all, restart your PC. Then try to open the application. Is it working or not? I will share some bonus tip like still not working, you are already follow those steps, then try to update your system driver or reinstall the program and make sure your Windows is up to date. I hope this video helped you fixed the EXE has stopped working issue. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Rustic tutorial for more tech tips. Thank you.